Did you know that baking soda has many uses? In this video from the Daily Eco, we explain the 12 most common ones. 1. As a skin scrub. To get super soft and clean skin, you simply need to moisten the area and apply a pinch of baking soda. Massage the skin and circles for 1 minute and no more than twice a week. Rinse the skin well with lukewarm water after each application. 2. For washing clothes. You can use it in the same way as your usual detergent. For every pound of laundry, you should use about 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Also, baking soda is a bleaching agent, so you can use it to wash white clothes as well. 3. For washing vegetables and fruits. Baking soda is also an eco-friendly, cheap, effective, and easy choice for washing your vegetables and fruits. Simply mix baking soda and water into a paste and rub it on the surface of the vegetables and fruits. To remove all the dirt, you only need to do this for about 2 minutes. Rinse it all thoroughly afterwards. 4. For getting rid of bad breath. Before you use it, you need to brush your teeth. Then, mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with half a glass of water. And finally, rinse or gargle your mouth with this mix. 5. For getting rid of heartburn. If you feel a burning sensation in your chest after eating or while lying down, baking soda is an effective remedy for heartburn. Simply mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and then drink it. You will notice an improvement almost immediately. 6. For treating insect bites. Insect bites can be treated with baking soda and water. Make a paste of baking soda and a little water and apply it to the affected area. If you want an even better result, apply the mixture and then cover the bite with gauze. Before we continue, we will put you to the test. Which of the following statements about baking soda is true? A. Helps with oily skin. B. Eliminates odors in cars. C. Helps with bladder infections. D. All of the above statements are true. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. 7. As a deodorant. Make your own deodorant with baking soda instead of using commercial deodorants that contain chemicals. All you need to do is lightly wet your armpits with water and then apply a little bit of baking soda. You don't need to rinse it off or remove it. 8. For tooth whitening. We can also use baking soda to whiten our teeth and remove or reduce stains. You can mix a pinch of baking soda with your regular toothpaste or mix a small amount of baking soda with water. It is not recommended to do this more than once a week. 9. To remove wine, tea, and coffee stains. Baking soda removes wine, tea, and other stains. All you need to do is apply a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to the stained area. Then, you need to wait for about 24 hours for the baking soda to work its magic. Finally, rinse the items carefully. 10. To clean silver. We can also use baking soda to clean silver items such as bracelets, rings, necklaces, or other jewelry. Prepare a thick paste by mixing baking soda with a little water. Then, rub a cloth soaked in the paste over the silver item you want to clean. Rinse it well and dry it with another cloth. 11. To eliminate bad odors in the fridge. Place a small container of baking soda in a corner of the fridge to absorb food odors. It should be replaced more or less every month so that it can continue to work its magic. 12. For fluffier pastries, bread, or tortillas. If you add a teaspoon of baking powder to your homemade sweets, breads, or tortillas, they will become much fluffier and you will definitely notice the difference. And to get back to the question we asked you earlier, have you thought it true? The correct answer is D. All of these statements are true. Let us know in the comments if you know of any other uses for baking soda. Until next time!